Good morning. I'm gonna take you guys on my day today. I have a lot to do, so I figured I should vlog it. I'm about to eat some berries and then I'm gonna go to the gym. So I've been eating a lot of fruit in the morning. I only eat fruit in the morning for breakfast until 12 because I found out that our body is going through like a detoxifying process in the mornings and it like gets everything out. So when you're eating like a heavy breakfast, it kind of is harder for your body to get everything out. So eating fruit actually helps. So that's what I've been doing, and I've been noticing my stomach looking really good. But with an American breakfast, you're eating eggs and bacon, which is really hard for your body to digest all of that in the morning. One egg has as much carcinogen as 2 cigarettes do. So I don't really think eggs are the best thing to eat in the morning, and it's crazy because that's what we grow up knowing that we're supposed to do. We're supposed to have eggs for breakfast and eat bacon, when in reality, that's actually the opposite thing of what we should be eating in the morning. And I don't know, I just want to start sharing more stuff with you guys that I know about foods and being vegan and why I'm vegan. Now I just finished up with the gym and I'm gonna eat this bean and rice burrito that I get from Whole Foods, non-dairy. I'm just gonna eat this so it can hold me over while I go take a shower, and then I'm gonna make like an actual lunch. It is 11:35, so brunch. I just did my hair and my makeup, and before I get dressed into my outfit, because I don't want to get it dirty, I'm gonna make lunch, and I'm going to be making vegan quesadillas. But I'm gonna show you guys how I make them. It's super easy and delicious. So I am using Impossible meat. A lot of people like to say these fake meats are not good for you, yada yada yada, but they're not bad for you at all, honestly. Like, you want to say something's not good for you, well, meat isn't good for you actually. So I'm gonna start off by cooking the Impossible meat and just adding this taco seasoning to it and then mixing it all together. And then I'm just gonna take pinto beans and put them in a pan and heat them up. Okay, so this is the cheese that I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna make like a half quesadilla. Then I'm gonna take the Impossible meat, and then I'm gonna take the beans, a little bit more cheese to the top of it, and then just fold it over. Okay, now just place it in the pan with oil. There's literally nothing different with making food vegan besides just the ingredients are a little bit different, but you can eat literally the same things, and I just want to let people know that because it can feel better if you eat plant-based. And then here's your vegan quesadilla. Look at that, that looks good. This is like a vegan queso I like to use. And then this is a sour cream that's vegan that I like. It's made out of tofu. I don't even like tofu, but this is good. Okay, I just got dressed. This is the fit for today. This little pink top with these cool like camo pants paired with these shoes. I love these shoes. I just made a little get ready with me for TikTok with this outfit, and now I'm about to go take a photo in this outfit. So I'm hungry again. The last thing I ate was the quesadilla, and now I'm going to eat this mac and cheese. It's a vegan creamy mac and cheese. I've never had this before, so I'm about to make it and try it and let you guys know what I think. I'm also eating a banana. Just wanted to add that in there. Okay, I'm trying the mac and cheese, and I already tried a bite, but it tastes exactly like any other boxed mac and cheese. It doesn't even taste like it's vegan, honestly. I don't taste the difference. So if you guys get a mac and cheese from the store, if you're lazy like me and don't want to cook sometimes, I suggest trying this one out, because it's a bit healthier for you. Not saying that this is healthy just because it's vegan. There's a lot of stuff that's vegan that's not healthy as well, but it is always a better option than eating dairy. Quick little tip that I thought about: if any of you guys are struggling with acne right now, try to just cut out dairy and try some of the alternative options for your skin. I would strongly suggest that because dairy is a big cause of people having really bad acne. I wish I would have known that when I had acne. I did know that, but I didn't know there were so many alternatives to dairy, made from almond milks, soy milks, coconut milks, all of that. Now I'm gonna snack on these. I didn't know these were vegan for the longest time. I used to eat them all the time back when I lived in Portland. I'm a big muncher. I'm always snacking. You can ask anybody that knows me. I'm always hungry, so snacks are everything to me. I really love back to nature plant-based snacks. They have so many different kinds of snacks. I love the Thin Mints. They're really good. Oreos are vegan. I always eat Oreos. Not really healthy, a lot of sugar, but sometimes it's okay. Special K is vegan. It's a good cereal to eat too. I really like these. You can get them basically at any store. It's a good little snack if you're just needing something quick. Also chocolate, also vegan, made out of soy. Another thing I wanted to mention is a lot of people have this bad perception of soy being bad for you, soy giving males tits, all of this crazy stuff about soy being bad, but actually soy is a really good protein. So in a lot of vegan foods there are a lot of soy protein, and like I get this soy chicken at this one restaurant and it has more protein than normal chicken, and I just hate that everyone's perception on soy is that it's not good for you and all this other stuff, but that's actually wrong. It is good for you, and like I said before, what is isn't, and what isn't is. Just keep that in mind, guys, because that goes for the vegan stuff a lot. Okay, so the other day when I was filming my what I eat in a day, I went out to dinner and I forgot to film it, but I went to Boa and I got an Impossible Burger. But right now I'm making like a meal prep for later for dinner, so I thought I would just show you guys what I'm making. So I'm cooking some Beyond sausage. I love Beyond sausage, just cook it on the stove. And I'm cooking up some carrots. And I also have some green beans cooking over here. I put butter on my green beans. This is the butter that I'm using. This is really good vegan butter. It's really creamy. So for the carrots, I just put them in a pan with water. And then I like to add this no chicken base broth. It's basically like chicken broth, but without the chicken. It tastes really good and it gives the carrots really good flavor. And I'm also gonna cut up some potatoes and boil them and make mashed potatoes. I just put them in boiling water and then I add the broth to the water as well, because it gives the potatoes a little bit of flavor when they get boiled in the broth. Now here is the finished product. Then I have the rest of it all in containers to eat this week. I really like this meal. It always makes me feel really wholesome when I eat it and healthy. It makes me feel good. You are what you eat, so be aware of what you're eating. Eat stuff that makes you feel good. I would never thought I would eat some stuff like this as a meal, but hey, people change. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, follow me on all my socials. Bye.